I might have to get some. This is like a salad in a can. That is so nice, and it's from what? Let me see. I should have came here instead of getting our nasty pizza. Let me see what can I do. I should have had. I don't know what to do. Bowl, I guess. Oh, and they ain't even that much. Okay, let me see. Baja Bowl. I don't know. Okay. Shalom Israel, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lelia, and this is the Empress of Royalties channel. So I put a little clip what I'm doing. So this is the farmers market on the I forget what it's called, the machine thing. You seen it? Okay, so this is the pineapple and coconut chai pudding. I don't even like pudding. I should have read it was pudding, but it don't look too good either. Look at that. That looks nasty. I'm so scared. I don't even know why I bought this. Because of the chives. I knew there was something I seen before though. Let's see. Oh my God, help me. It ain't that bad. I didn't think it was gonna, but it just looks weird. See? Oh my God, this looks like a bunch of eggs, little fish eggs.
Jeffrey over to gate 347. Jeffrey operator to gate 47.
Yeah, it ain't that good. Okay, it's alright. Try the next one. And this is the Baja Bowl roasted seasoned potatoes, crispy tortilla chips, and creamy chai lime sauce. Let's see how that goes. This thing is hard. I got a little taste of this. This little sauce comes in it, chips, and the salad. Oh, and they got chives in here too. This is so healthy. Okay, let me see. I guess you pour the sauce in here and shake it up. Moving so high. Oh my. This is good. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. And I don't have no napkins.
Once again, to all Australian guests
Hurry
who
up, I
are
gotta
now
hurry up.
flying to
Don't want
Tampa
to miss my
services to Las
flight.
Vegas, we still have a couple differences and still row seats available for purchase. If you would like to upgrade your seat, please come see us at gate B49.
Mm, 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 mm. This is good. Got a little bit of beans in there, corn, potato, and chives. Healthy. And probably the tip. That's too hard. I ain't doing all that. Break my teeth, break my nails. I ain't doing all that. Alright. Peace. Make sure you. I'm gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna end this vlog right now. I'll be uploading it, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll be back. Peace. No, shalom.